In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with QuickBooks. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, integrating QuickBooks with Zapier can streamline your business processes and automate routine tasks, saving you valuable time. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by typing zapier.com into your browser. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you already have one. If you're new to Zapier, you'll need to create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward, just follow the prompts. Next, once you're logged in, look for the option that says App Connections. It's usually located on the left sidebar. Click on that to access the Connections page. This section allows you to manage all the different applications you can link with Zapier for automation. Now you'll see a button that says Create Connection. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new interface, allowing you to find the specific app you want to connect with. Here, you'll need to do a quick search for QuickBooks. Simply type QuickBooks into the search field. When the options appear, click on QuickBooks Online. This is the version that integrates seamlessly with Zapier and allows you to set up automation between QuickBooks and other applications you might be using. After selecting QuickBooks, you'll see an option labeled Add Connection. Click on this link to initiate creating the connection between Zapier and your QuickBooks account. Now, this is a critical step, so make sure you have your QuickBooks credentials handy. You will need to sign into your QuickBooks account next. Once you click Add Connection, you'll be prompted to enter your QuickBooks login details. Be sure to use the account associated with the QuickBooks data you want to work with. After entering your details, there may also be a request for permissions to allow Zapier to access your data. This is standard procedure, so go ahead and grant those permissions. And just like that, you've connected QuickBooks to Zapier. From here, you can start creating zaps, which are essentially automations. For instance, you could set it up so that every time a new customer is added in QuickBooks, it automatically creates a corresponding record in another application, like your email marketing tool. This way, you're not manually transferring data, which can save you time and reduce errors. So, to recap, we started at Zapier's homepage, navigated to App Connections, created a new connection, searched for QuickBooks, selected it, added the connection, and logged into our QuickBooks account. That's it for our tutorial on connecting Zapier with QuickBooks. This integration can significantly enhance your workflow by automating different aspects of your business operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Your support means a lot. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.